How to contact Uber Eats customer service. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up Uber Eats on your device. Then make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, if you want to contact the customer service of Uber Eats because you're facing any sort of issue or you have some queries, you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are over here, you want to click on the option of Help. Now here you have three different topics: help with an order, account and payments, delivery and pickup basics. You can click on the option in which you are facing the issue. Now here are different other categories that you can select from. If you are unable to sign in, you can click on that issue, and then over here you can click on the subcategories as well and figure out your issue. However, if you want to directly contact with the customer service, you have that option as well. For that, click on I need contact support option. If you are having issues with a trip or your account and wish to speak to the customer support of Uber Eats, you will have to fill up the form below. All you have to do is enter the name on your account. Then you want to enter the phone number on your account. Now you want to select if you are facing the issue with account and payment issue or trip issues or any other issue. Then you will have to share details about your issue. After that is done, tap on the submit button. Once you have submitted this request, the customer support is going to get in contact with you either via call or via email, and then they will help you sort out your issue. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.